Hi, I'm thinking about starting a new playlist for our YouTube channel. I think I'll call it The Proper Way to Thank Your Authorized NuTone Service Center Owner for His Help. Today we have a box that was sent to me by a fellow named John. John lives in Florida. Apparently, at some point in the past, probably fairly recently, I helped him out with a problem with his M&S, or Music and Sound, MC602 intercom system, and I helped him identify that he had water in a patio station that was causing problems on the entire system. I don't necessarily know that I remember speaking with John, but I'm sure I probably did, because why would he have sent me this? So this showed up the other day. It's from a place called Harry and David's, and Harry and David's is in Medford, Oregon. And what's interesting is, having originally been from California and having gone to Ashland, Oregon many times. Ashland, Oregon is in the southwestern corner of Oregon. Medford is the next town up the freeway. And we used to go to Medford. You know, I had gone to Ashland, I think the first time was probably about 1974. And Medford was just a little bitty place then. And Harry and David's was a fruit stand that was up in Medford, and it was just a little bitty place. Now it's a big place, and they sell online and they have a catalog and all that sort of stuff. So John sent me a gift box. And as we do around here, we like to show people the proper way that you can thank your authorized NuTone Service Center owner for his help. So we have a fairly substantial pile here. So let's take a look and see what Harry and David sent for John, who appreciated the help that I gave him. We'll untie it nicely. Cindy may want the ribbon, I don't know. So what do we have here? We have a box of, looks like truffles of some kind, milk chocolate, coffee, cherry, almond, raspberry, and dark chocolate. And another box here. Look, Harry and David's, established 1934. And here we have what I would guess are probably some kind of chocolate covered cherries or something. And here you can see on the label it says Medford, Oregon. The last time I was at Harry and David's was probably about 8 or 10 years ago when we went up to Ashland. Ashland, Oregon is a really nice place. They're well known for their Shakespeare festivals that they have throughout the summer months. And here we have another item. Oh, everybody would want this. Milk chocolate Moose Munch. I think I remember Moose Munch as being one of their sort of signature things that they had at Harry and David's. Here we have a wide variety of things. We have a package of smoked salmon, some more chocolate of some kind or another. That doesn't really say what it is. We have some sharp white cheddar cheese. Wow, all kinds of stuff. A package of Mesa Verde snack mix. Not a fancy label on that one, but that's what it says. Here we have some Harry and David premium mixed nuts. That somehow seems appropriate for a service center guy. Here we have some baklava. And here we have, this is really heavy. This is mini chocolate decadence. Wow. It's very heavy, must weigh a quarter of a pound. And here we have some kind of little cookies. I'm not sure what kind of cookies they are. Raspberry galette cookies. Cool. Alright. And I think in the last box, I have a feeling I know what this is going to be. One of Harry and David's specialties that they do is they sell pears. And pears are a big deal. And Yep, they're pears, no doubt about it. So Harry and David's, I think they started off as a pear stand originally or something like that, and they always had a wide variety of pears, different kinds, and other fruits and nuts and all of that kind of stuff. You know, fruits and nuts, it is Oregon after all, you know. So this is a very nice and way over the top assortment of things that John sent here, and this is the proper way that you should thank your authorized NuTone Service Center owner for his help and understanding and all that kind of stuff. So, thanks, John. I appreciate it. Thumbs up to John.